Parrot MK6100, how to install in 5 steps. Parrot headquarters in Paris. ...360 employees worldwide. 8 years of car kit experience. A range of 11 advanced Bluetooth car kits. Parrot MK6100 Bluetooth car kit with streaming audio and OLED screen. Voice activated and music streamed via Bluetooth. Plays MP3 music files. Very high definition OLED screen. Very high fidelity sound with Parrot beamforming noise reduction. Voice recognition up to 150 names and spoken menus. Voice synthesis. Reads aloud the names in the phone book. Compatible with all Bluetooth compliant phones. Required tools for installation: 1 Parrot MK6100, 1 Parrot ISO adapter cable if needed, dedicated extraction keys, protective tissue for car's interior, mounting time approximately 1 hour, Parrot MK6100 packaging content, Parrot's cable, user's manual, remote control, OLED screen, Parrot universal mute box, double microphone, screen cable. Remove the car radio receiver. Use dedicated keys corresponding to the radio receiver or car manufacturer. Disconnect both ISO cables. Install the Parrot universal mute box. Connect the Parrot's cable to the radio receiver. Connect the Parrot's cable to car system. Connect the Parrot's cable to the Parrot universal mute box. Cable from the display unit. Rotate the connector to correctly lock the jack. Test. Connect the screen with car power on. Set up the screen. Depending on the car model, find a solution to pass over the dashboard behind the radio receiver. Set up the display using the provided double-sided pad. Please do not position the screen near the car's airing system. Finish the installation. Position the Parrot universal mute box behind the radio receiver. Be sure it won't move while driving. Connect the screen with car power on. Insert the battery in the remote control. Test the remote control with the display unit. Attach the remote control cradle inside the steering wheel. Slide the remote on the cradle. Test the kit functions. Establish a quick call to test integrated microphones. Setup is complete. Drive safely. Warning: when you switch off your car power, please be sure you see the goodbye. If not, you need to unplug and switch the plus 12 volt and the minus 12 volt connectors. For more information, please visit our website www.parrot.com/support.